Hello everyone, I am Danny Wang from Shenzhen Zuanzhen Technology. Today, we are going to test the 12G-SDI board produced by our company and see how to connect it to the serial port, specifically the TTL serial port. I have here a USB to TTL converter, and we are connecting the 3 wires. One is ground, and the other 2 are ARX and TX. These are connected to the 3 pins on our board. Once powered on, both the board and the camera are turned on. I've plugged the cable into a USB drive, and it shows as 8300. Now let's check the image, and the camera's image is displayed. After connecting everything, the first step is to check which serial port we are using. The serial port is COM3. Once that's done, we open the Sony testing software. After finding the serial port, we use the testing software to adjust the camera, such as zooming in and out, switching between day and night modes, and toggling between color and black and white modes. As you can see, the connection is successful, and everything works fine. Thank you, everyone.